think, you know, likes to think, you know, purist Britpop compromise. He likes to think, you know, likes to think, you know.
Food. Today we're doing fried chicken. We have eggs, chicken, flour for making it crispy. First thing, oh, now also need oil. Like this one. We take the knife. And you go all the way back to the fridge. Mess. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get flour. In America, usually you do this with like corn flour, but we have a different kind of flour here that's made for doing this kind of thing. So what you wanna do is just cut the tip. This scissors doesn't work at all because it fucking sucks. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna put this over here, and then we're gonna put this over here. So, look, we put it on the egg. Now, after we put everything on the egg, we're gonna put this back. I'm gonna turn on the frying pan. Now we're gonna wait that one finish, like get the bubbles on the oil. We're gonna do the same thing again with this other one. Put it in the flour. Okay. I don't have enough space. Really? Oh my god. No. No. Gonna do just that one and wait. And that's it.
We do fried chicken.
You're gonna crisp everything. Anything you want. You can crisp your finger, sausage, cat, chicken, meat. Nice. Put this plate over here. Put some paper towels over here. Yoink. And then we put another towel on the top. And this is how you make a real crispy chicken. You thought KFC, you thought McDonald's knew how to make chicken? This is the real way to do crispy chicken. Now is the real cool part of this recipe. Just let it fry it. Make sure you poke the middle of the meat you're frying or anything you're frying to make sure the oil doesn't go inside. And this is how you make chicken. Now let's prove it. Here's a fork. Here's a knife. It's really good. I forgot something very important. Salt. Oh fuck. It tastes like fried chicken. It's really crispy because if you dip in the egg 2 times and put the flour you're supposed to use in the chicken, it gets extra crispy. It's really fucking good. That's it for today's Cooking with Ninaj. Leave a like. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you Norman for editing. And that's it. See you next video.